Keep typing symbols you never use. What if you could swap them out for the ones you do use? Here's how to customize the symbols on your Samsung keyboard. First, open any app where the keyboard appears, like when you are writing a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap custom symbols. Here you will see a grid of default symbol. These are what show up when you long press the period key on your keyboard. To change one, just tap it in the preview. Then pick a new symbol from the keyboard. If needed, you can repeat for others. Given to the function, you can customize your custom symbol if you often use symbol like slash, asterisk, or else. Replacing the default saves time and taps, especially when texting, coding, or taking notes. It personalizes your typing experience and makes your keyboard way more efficient. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.